Stop by and take a look at the 2010 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there, and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 105,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: passenger airbag, air conditioning, power steering, compass, fog lamps, trip computer, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, convertible occupant rollover protection. Come see the car for yourself.